The next exercise that we will do is Qi massage. So Qi massage activates the energy within the body. So in every Qigong workout session, we want to activate that internal energy that's lying dormant within us. So make soft fists, bring the hands to the chest, and we awaken the Qi that's in the body as you tap up and down your chest. Breathe in through your nose and exhale out through the mouth. When we tap on the body, we not only again activate the energy, but we also increase circulation in the body and the muscles. Good, now let's reach one arm out to the side, bring the hand to the corner of your chest and tap on the corner of your chest, tapping on that lung point again. Tap down the inside of your arm, which is along the yin surface of your arm, and then tapping up the yang surface of your arm, over the back of the arm, to the shoulder, and let's go down again, and going up. And one more time. And up. Let's go to the other side, tapping on the corner of the chest again. Tapping down the inside of your arm. As you tap on the arm, cup your hand so that you're tapping more with the palm of your hand rather than just your fingers. And you want to tap with the pressure that's comfortable for you. Gently massaging your own body. Let's do that one more time. Good, let's tap on your chest again. So as I mentioned earlier, the liver and the gallbladder meridians run along the side of the ribs. So let's reach this one arm out to the side again. Let's bring your opposite hand to the right side. And then you're going to tap up and down the ribs. Awakening the energy along the liver meridian and the gallbladder. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Releasing any stress, frustration, allowing us to experience a bit more kindness and generosity. Good. And then relax the arms down and just notice what you feel. Notice the energy, that internal energy activated within your body. Feel that tingling sensation through your arms, into your hands. Now let's continue with our Qi massage by making soft fists, bringing your soft fist to your low back, and then you tap up and down your low back. Going from your low back all the way down to your sacrum. Opening up the energy of the kidneys, right? We're tapping on an area referred to as the door of life. Now with the palms of your hand, you're going to slap the low back, going down the back of your legs, and then coming up the front of your legs, all the way up to your hips. Abdomen wrapping around the waist again, and going down. And coming up. Let's do this one more time. Good. And then relax your arms down. And just notice any new sensations you're feeling in your legs and your low back. Now let's move on to an exercise called the tiger. So for the tiger, we reach the arms up. The legs are again shoulder width apart. You make tiger claws with your hands, and then you draw the arms down in front of you, and you bend your knees, and then you relax your arms down. And then you drag your tiger claws up. Take a deep breath in, and then exhale as you bend. So as you bend your knees and your hips, you bend as if you're sitting in a chair. And you go as low as you can comfortably go. If you can go lower, bring your butt towards your heels. But again, listen to your body. Breathing in through your nose as you lift your, and then exhale out the mouth as you lower your arms down. This is another cleansing and clearing exercise. You want to imagine that you're drawing negative emotional energy out and then releasing it. And again. Inhale. As you lift your arms up, try not to take your shoulders to your ears, relax your shoulders. Let's do 2 more. And last one. This time as you find yourself in your lowest position, and again that might be here or it might be here. Whichever is totally fine. I can go here, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to bring my hands to prayer. Bring my elbows into my knees and my hands towards my heart for tiger in the grass. So this is a wonderful stretch to open up the hips and the low back, as well as give a little stretch to your yin meridians of your legs. So this is one option, but you can also be here, right, with your hands on your knees and just pushing your knees apart. Keep your chest lifted. Okay. So I'll go back to here because I'm not quite done with my stretch. Good. And then from here, I'll just drop the hands, turn my toes to face forward, and I'll slowly roll up to the spine. And if you were more upright before, what you would do is just turn the toes to face forward. You just stretch forward like this with your head being heavy, your arms are heavy, and you slowly roll up to your spine. Your head is the last thing to lift. Your shoulders are nice and relaxed. Good. Now let's do an exercise called full body flow. Full body flow is a great exercise to open up all the muscles and the joints and the tendons in the body. Let's go a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Let's take one hand and grab one wrist. Lift the arms up overhead. As you lift your arms up overhead, look up, lift your chest, lift your gaze slightly, and lift the back so you're gonna feel as though you're arching slightly back. And then from here with a flat back, you'll bend forward, all the way forward. You'll drop your head. In this position, you can have your legs straight or you can soften your knees a little bit, whatever's comfortable for you, but feel that nice stretch along the back of your legs. So you're stretching out the yang meridians of your legs, the low back as well, lengthening out the spine. And then from here, you'll soften your knees. You'll slowly roll up to your spine. As you roll up to your spine, notice that my arms are traveling up the front of the body as well. Take a deep breath in as you open the chest. So we're opening up the front of the body, which is referred to as the yin surface of your body. And then exhale out as you stretch forward and stretching the yang surface of your body. And soften your knees, slowly roll up. Take a deep breath in. And then exhale out. Again, slowly rolling up, deep breath in. And deep breath out. I'm going to face forward again. And rolling up. Let's do this one more time. Soften the knees and slowly roll up. Lift the arms up. Open your chest. Standing tall. Open the arms out to the sides and down.